Vikram, high-profile weddings around the world often set the stage for bridal fashion trends. How does Finesse Couture adapt to these global influences for your international clients?
High-profile weddings from Selena Gomez and Blanco's anticipated 2025 nuptials to Olivia Culpo's 2024 ceremony spark trends that resonate with brides globally. At Finesse Couture, we monitor these events and anticipate what our clients, designer boutiques, and stylists will seek. Take Olivia Culpo's Dolce and Gabbana gown. With its structured silhouette, it inspired a wave of elegant tailored designs. Similarly, Princess Eugene's jacquard gown popularized rich textures like brocade, while Indian weddings like Anant Ambani's blended traditional embroidery with modern flair. These diverse influences shape our collections. Our design process starts with researching these trends, analyzing elements like necklines or fabrics that capture attention. We then adapt these into our gowns, ensuring they appeal to varied tastes from minimalist European styles to opulent Asian designs. Our manufacturing is built for agility. Using advanced technology, we quickly prototype trending styles like drop waists or 3D floral appliques without compromising quality. Our artisans ensure every gown meets couture standards, whether it's for a bride in New York or Sydney. We also collaborate with our global network of boutiques and designers, gathering insights to refine our collections. This ensures our gown reflects both the latest trends and the timeless elegance Finesse Couture is known for, making every bride feel like a star.
How do you balance global trends with cultural diversity?
We embrace diversity by tailoring designs to regional preferences. North American brides might want structured elegance, while Asian brides often seek intricate details. Our collection offers versatility with customizable options like personalized embroidery, ensuring cultural resonance.
What's next for Finesse Couture in this global landscape?
We are enhancing our trend analysis with digital tools and expanding sustainable fabric options. By staying connected with our global partners, we'll continue delivering gowns that blend celebrity-inspired trends with timeless beauty.